Dark like blackout. I'm in here single lonely and watching water drip like heartbreak on the window glass. Couples cuddling, I'm me. I dip on WhatsApp sending, hey stranger. The place real dark. Me inside like a chicken waiting for plug stock. Me wrap up in a blanket drinking bush tea. Scrolling Facebook, everybody booed up but me. It pouring like cat and dog, but I hear no meow. No barking, no romance, not even a cow. Just thunder clapping like it vex bad. And me talking to myself like I gone mad. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. Get cozy and kissing up strong. Are they counting raindrops and singing sad song? Rain falling, oh Lord have grace. Like the sky crying for me and my lonely face. When it rain it pour but nothing me gain. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. And chill. I'm watching raindrop race on the windowsill. One friend text say come outside, let's dance in the rain. But with me luck, me go slip and mash me brain. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong. And they counting raindrops and singing sad song. Rain falling, oh Lord have grace. Like the sky crying for me and my lonely face. When it rain it pour but nothing me gain. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. Them say rain does wash away all dirtiness. Will carry away my stress, my ex and she new man Verman 2 years. I try manifesting love by dancing in the rain. But instead I get sneeze and a belly pain. I praying for sunshine and maybe a day. Not thunder that sound like judgment gate. Couples inside, kissing up sweet and me eating roti and watching me on heartbeat. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong. And they counting raindrops and singing sad song. Rain falling, oh Lord have grace. Like the sky crying for me and my lonely face. When it rain it pour but nothing me gain. Only thunder, lightning and emotional pain. Next time rain falling, I go in by my neighbor. She got 3 cats, 2 dogs, me and the mop bucket.